Okay, so now that you have moved all of your agents over to IT Center, what we're going to be doing is making sure that they're set up with their actual profiles. Since they all were installed with the audit agent, so there would be no conflicts with Kaseya version 5, now we want to make sure that they're actually doing what Kaseya was meant to do, which is, executing scripts and actually operating um, on the machines that they're installed on, especially since Kaseya 5 in our last step, we took that out of the picture, so it's no longer an issue. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure that we're in our agent area, and then we're going to go down to copy settings, which is under configure agents. And once that loads up, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose to copy settings from a selected machine ID, and it's going to pull up a new window. And we're going to pick the ID that we're going to be copying settings from. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply this to all of our workstations. And then we're going to copy all the settings from the template, except we're not going to copy our credentials. We're not going to copy overwrite the machine's logs. And we're not going to overwrite the machine's profile, because those have already been collected by the audit agent, and that's perfectly fine. We don't need to change any of that. So you go ahead and click Done. Now we need to make sure that we have the right machines to copy settings to. So up here you can switch to all groups, and then we can just use views to see. We can see servers only and workstations only. So let's go ahead and just click workstations only in this case. And it's going to pull up all the workstations that are on my account, which this particular account is all workstations. We're going to go ahead and just click the boxes. I'm just going to click them on some of my live agents. And you just click copy, and it's going to copy over those settings. It'll pull up a new window that says please wait while settings are copied, and as soon as that finishes, it'll take a minute or two, then everything will be up and running the way that you want it to work. After that, you can go in and configure the machines more specifically. You can always go back up here to the views. You can switch to servers only, change the agent you're copying settings from to your server template, and then just make sure, again, we don't want to overwrite the credentials, the machine logs, or the machine profile, and then you can just click Done. I'll just pull that up there, and then copy it to all your servers. I don't have any servers on this account, otherwise we could go ahead and just run through that. But once you're done, you can go ahead and start configuring the agents a little bit more, one-on-one with each agent, and getting them set up the way that you had them on Kaseya, on our Kaseya hosted Kaseya server. We're going to be running webinars to show you how to go through some of this stuff. We're going to be showing you some of the big differences between K2 and Kaseya 5. K2 looks a lot different than K5 does, but it's pretty much the way it operates is still very much the same. So feel free to poke around, and until we speak again, we'll talk then. Otherwise, feel free to contact support with any questions you have. Our fabulous support team is available at help@virtualadministrator.com, and you can always email me. My name is Dan Kolansky, and I am your account representative. You can email me at dan@virtualadministrator.com. All right. I look forward to talking to you soon. Good luck.